fish. Oh my gosh. Stay on. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Look at that thing. Oh, ho. Good fish. That's a big one too. No way. God, look at that thing. Did y'all see that? That was insane. That's a 4.5 pounder. He ran me around it was either a pipe or a rope under that dock. I had to get on the dock, and somehow I grabbed him underneath the middle of the dock. Wow, what a fish. And that little Exome Lures deception worm, yeah, this thing's fire. Come here. Yes, baby. Look at that thing, guys. Look at that thing. Oh, ho! Crushed it on that whopper plopper, baby. Holy cow. Look at that thing. That's a 5 pounder right there. That thing is so fat. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at that eat. That frog is gone. Wow. That was super sick. That's only a 2 pounder, but that was awesome. Big bait. He hit the big bait. Look at that. 4 fish, but he hit the big bait. Look at that. First fish on the big plopper, baby. Look at that thing. He's not that big, but first fish on the big plopper. Skinny fish. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. Another real skinny one. He crushed it though. Oh, on that frog. Two bites on that. Only one bite on the other 4. Yes, baby. Oh, look at that. Yes, baby. Look at that thing. He freaking inhaled. Yes. I feel so. That was insane. Another 5-pounder, baby. Booyah Baits frog, baby. Booyah Baits. Pad Crasher. Best frog on the market.